Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. It's your girl Mabel. Please, if this is your first time coming through my video, don't forget to subscribe and do hit the notification button so you get notified whenever I'm online, and also don't forget to hit the like button as well. So guys, on today's video, showing you guys what I got for Christmas. So let's get started. So guys, I also want to know what you guys got for Christmas, so leave it on the comment section. So just really want to know what you guys got for Christmas. So the box is here. Thank you. So let's get started. So that's the box. It came in yesterday. So let's open it. Try this down. I know it's again from Boininger, so let's get started. There's a big box. Oh my goodness. Okay, it comes with the receipt. Comes with a receipt. Yes. So there's a receipt. Drop this down. Yeah, this is just like a new, oh, thank you, whatever. So, whoa! So let's see what we got. I really love this carton, this pink and gold. Oh my God, it really looks nice. So, let's see. I think I need to keep this aside. So. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's start with this. It comes with a dust bag, with a brown dust bag with a Paris, Texas logo. So, oh my goodness. It's a snakeskin boot. Overknee boots. This is really gorgeous. Oh my God. With the Chucky heels. It's nice. I got the size 39. I will be trying them on. So Paris, Texas is one of the brand I'm really loving this season. So you can wear it with jeans. It really fits well, and I definitely will be wearing it with jeans. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy to have an overknee to my collections again. So good. Oh my God, these are so gorgeous. So I will be trying them on for you guys. So let's see how it fits. feel comfortable with these shoes, and I think I will be using them a lot because of the shocking heels here. And yeah, I can really walk better with this than the one with the tiny heels. So definitely I recommend this if you're a boot lover. So I do recommend the Paris, Texas boot. It comes in different colors and it's snake skin print. It's not a real snake skin, so it's a snake skin print. So this is really nice. A lot of brands has the same as well. So guys, if you love my video, please don't forget to subscribe and do hit the notification button so you get notified whenever I'm online. And also don't forget to hit the like button as well. So I will also appreciate if you guys leave comments, and yeah, I will definitely reply to each and every comment. So Merry Christmas once again. Have a nice day. Enjoy the holidays. Bye.